Hey, what is going on, everybody? Today I've got this 4-system scanner here, and I'm super excited to share it with all of you guys. Now, before we take this out to my vehicle and try it out, I do want to show you guys the boxing, which is really nice. So overall, the box package is great. We can go ahead and open this up, and I'll give you guys a closer look. Okay guys, so it comes in this hard-shelled case with a handle here, so if you want to store this in your vehicle or garage or anywhere around the house, you can just easily do that. We'll go ahead and unzip it. And everything you guys need is right in here. You guys get your user manual, all that good stuff. You get a quick guide as well. And then we can go ahead and take our scanner out. One thing to note is that it's got this really neat handle on it to make it super easy to hold on to. And we'll go ahead and remove the plastic. All of your necessary cables are here. You have a Type-C to Type-C cable, and then you do have your OBD2 style cable here as well, which is really easy to go ahead and install. You guys can see it'll just plug into there. So I'll get that all set up here shortly when we go out to my vehicle. Now, as far as the screen goes, it's a 4.3-inch LED screen, which is really, really nice. Here you guys go. This supports over 7,000 different vehicles out there, which is absolutely amazing. So once again, this is an OBD2 style. Okay, so German cars, Audi, BMW, things like that, to Volkswagen. You have Acura, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, and I could go on, but you get a ton of auto manufacturers that are supported by this, which is really nice. So like I mentioned, this is a 4-system diagnostic tool, which is great and super easy to use. It should be just plug and play for you guys. The great thing about this, guys, is that it does have a ton of advantages. It has a large code library, which covers over 40,000 codes. That is right, guys. So you're definitely going to identify your issue with your vehicle with this. And it has 4 major vehicle system diagnostics from engine, transmission, SRS, and ABS. And then you have 3 practical reset functions. So your oil reset, EPB reset, and battery match as well. And it can help with other expensive diagnostic situations. So this is really going to save you guys money in the long run, which is super nice. Let's go outside and try this out. All right, guys, so we are out here in my vehicle. You guys can see that I have this plugged into the OBD2 port underneath the steering wheel. And so this is what your screen looks like. It is in full color, and guys, it looks great. You have your diagnostic, you have your oil reset, BMS, EPB, your OBD2, and then other right down there. You guys can click into your settings. You can connect Wi-Fi and change all of this information, your units and whatnot, and then go right back. So really easy to go ahead and use this. If you click into diagnostic, you can go ahead and choose from all kinds of different cars. So you have an Acura here, and then you could load in here and get your specific vehicle. Go and pick your area, and then it's going to start communicating with the vehicle, and you guys can see found the current vehicle that we're in right now. So works great, super easy to go ahead and use that. If you want to go to OBD2, you click on that, and you guys can see you actually get a loading symbol here, which is so nice. You don't just have to sit around guessing, which is so great. All right, and here we go, guys. This car's in good shape. We don't have any check engine lights, even though we got a lot of miles. As you can see there, all good to go. But you can go down here and it'll give you information on the vehicle. So very nice. You can go back out. You guys can see read codes. You can erase code. You can see your list here. So you can even see like your O2 sensor functions. If you're having like a check engine light or like running lean or anything like that, you could click on this and you look at this. It's very cool though. You guys can go all the way down to the details here. Let's do this one, and it'll give you your results. So guys, this is absolutely awesome. You can even go to data list here, and it's going to give you an overview of your load, coolant temp, and all that great stuff. 29 different things. And this is just a simple Acura. This has the ability to read much more complicated, newer vehicles. So there you guys go. There's a quick overview. Let's go ahead and exit and you go back to this. So yeah, there you guys go. I love this thing. So there you guys go. Overall, this is so easy to use and it is really convenient, and it's going to help you out with repairs in the long run. Whether you're just somebody looking to check in on a check engine light on your vehicle, or you are a professional mechanic, this is going to be super nice to have, which is why I recommend it to all of you guys out there.